Hello, hi everyone, welcome. So this is our the beginning of our 12 day to Christmas recipe, and we are here with Marcus in Devon,
Hi.
and we're gonna cook something fantastic in the oven. Marcus will do it for us.
I'm very excited about this. I've been cooking with Delivita for a few years now, and I'm a big fan of these ovens. They're great. So welcome to CountryWoodSmoke HQ. That's your first time here, and I'm looking forward to doing some cooking with you, Marco, and let's make some nice food, some nice festive food.
Fantastic, thank you so much, Marcus. So oven is getting ready. I see it's hot.
Yeah, so the oven is nice and hot. Probably about 250 to 300 degrees C we're looking for here. And what we're going to do is cook some turkey meatballs and nice festive Christmassy food. So I love meatballs in a wood-fired oven, and yeah, very tasty. So nice simple food. Let's get them on.
Fantastic. We were saying is not, the oven is not pizza hot.
No, it's not pizza hot. So you'd be looking 400, 450 or so for pizza. Here we want more 250, 300. You want a small amount of flame, one piece just burning and some embers, so that it's warmed up for half an hour or so, and you want just one piece burning in there. So
yes, that's enough.
Not too hot. If you've got a few pieces in there, it'll be too hot.
Too much.
So
Yeah.
just one piece ticking over slowly.
Brilliant. Okay, let's start then.
Okay,
Let's get cooking.
Yeah.
So this looks amazing, Marcus. Tell us from what did you make?
Okay, so these are turkey meatballs. They've got a little bit of garlic in, a little bit of thyme, sea salt, pepper. So quite simple, really. And I'm just going to put a little bit of something to add flavour to the base. Some garlic, chopped garlic, and some pancetta.
Lovely.
Just in the bottom there, so that'll crisp up and that'll add extra flavour, extra fat to the nice sauce we're going to put on here. So,
amazing. That looks lovely.
There we go. Oh, and I forgot the festive bit that makes it extra festive.
Oh.
Can't forget these. So I'm going to put some cranberries, just a handful of cranberries dotted around. They'll cook it in and just add a nice little bit of sweetness to this.
Brilliant, brilliant. Lovely recipe, lovely recipe.
Yeah.
And how long is it going to be inside for now?
Probably 15, 20 minutes.
15, 20 minutes.
Yeah, so I'm going to let it cook, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of passata just for a bit of sauce. So
lovely.
I want everything to caramelise up, and there we go.
Lovely.
Pop that in.
Fantastic, fantastic. Wow, that looks amazing. Okay, so here we are, 15 minutes went past.
Let's have a look. They're getting that nice colour on them. Everything's looking nice and good. So we've lost some of the juice in there, so it's now time to add a little bit of the passata.
Lovely.
Just drizzle it in the gaps between. We want to keep that nice bit of crispiness on top.
Nice.
But just in the gaps in between. There we go.
Amazing.
Now pop that back in for another 5 minutes or so.
We just added another piece of wood after, just to get the temperature back up.
Yeah, just need to keep it, it's hot, but just want a little bit of flame in there, so it's, just keeps it a bit of colour, a bit of caramelisation going on there. So.
Lovely, looks amazing.
And
I'm very excited to taste it.
Yeah, and we're going to finish it with a little bit of dolcelatte on top.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, a little bit of cheese melted on top.
Very nice. Okay, lovely.
So this is cooking through nicely here. Look at that, bubbling away. Like that, beautiful.
Amazing.
Just needs a little bit of something cheesy on top just to melt in. So some nice dolcelatte here.
Wow.
I'm just going to crumble some of that on top.
Wow. This is basically Italian blue cheese.
Yeah, Italian blue cheese.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful.
You can use your own, you can use something not blue as well. And then that back in the oven just until that's melted for a few minutes.
And then
that's
we're ready,
nice and hot. Then we're ready, yeah.
Can't wait. Amazing.
You get the thyme, yeah.
Dolcelatte, fantastic as well. And the sauce looks beautiful, eh?
Yeah, tastes a little bit like Christmas, doesn't it?
It is, fantastic.
So the top of these is nice and crispy, there's a nice coating and nice bit of thyme. It's almost like a sort of stuffing meatball really with the thyme and
cranberry as well, give that Christmassy, lovely.
And putting the the tomato sauce in there, it keeps it nice and moist as well through the cook, so you get the crispiness and it keeps the turkey juicy as well. So, and that blue cheese just adds a really lovely Christmas flavour.
Amazing.
And you get a little pop of sweetness from a cranberry as well. So
lovely. So thank you so much for inviting us down, Marcus. It was fantastic.
Pleasure.
Now I'm gonna finish probably.
Yeah, definitely. It's nice bread we need here now to mop up the juices, I think.
Lovely.
Fantastic.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Marcus will be back in a couple of days. Ciao. Bye bye.
Ciao.